Ubak Prestone Tynsong menteri rangbah bynrap ba nongialam ke NPP ula Kynthoh ya ke jingpynthut ke BJP ha ke jingiatreilang ha ke sorkar MDA. Ula ong mynshuwa balong presiden ubak shibun lyngdoh judan eiei iatreilang ha sorkar handai naduh shimti ubak Ernest Mawrie kimi kine kynram. Halor ke jingialang jong ke MDA ke benlong ha ka sngi palei jong ke afnu tarik noiweng ula ong ba iakren ya ke nikakam jong ke BJP bat kiwei dia kikam.
I fail to understand when the new setup of the office bearers of the state BJP unit taken over. I don't know why these things happening. Okay, whereas those times during the previous regime of I think shibun, lyngdoh, it went off well, very peaceful, very cordial. But suddenly it happened when they changed the office bearers of the state unit. In the government, I think from the BJP, they are there. One is Hek and number two is San Bosula. They are there. So they are the representative of the BJP. We don't neglect. We don't neglect anybody. As partners, we are part and parcel and we are jointly responsible for any programs, any decision taken by the government. I think I've already made a statement that time. I've already told you the government is uncomfortable. I advise them to leave the MDA government. I think I've made it very clear. Very clearly I made that. So now I don't have anything to say. Let the coordination committee sit on the 26th. Then you will be updated. Whatever discussion to be held on that evening. Coordination committee, we are yet to fix any agenda. So that day in the meeting we will discuss whatever issues bringing in by any partners. I think we will discuss and then we'll take a call and decide accordingly.